everyone. This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today topic is the Fourier series of even functions in a given interval of that length is minus pi comma pi. In previously we discussed the length is 0 comma 2 pi and 0 to 2l like that. Whenever the given function is like in terms of the sine and also cos, then how to find the solution. Here, first we'll go to discuss that what is the even function, what is the odd function. Here, the definition of even function is nothing but whenever the given function is the lies in between, that is a minus pi comma pi or something minus L to comma L. And before going to discuss that one, according to the definition of the basic fundamental, the principle of the even function, whenever the given function is f of x, in that when you are going to replace that x is equal to minus x, that is f of minus x is equal to that is f of x, then such type of the function is called as a even function. And in case of that f of minus x is called like minus f of x, that is function is said to be that is odd function. But we are going to discuss that based upon the even function, that is minus pi comma pi. And here that some of the example are like according to the even functions are like x square, x power 4 and x power 6 like that. But in terms of that x is equal like t, that is a t square and t power 4 and t power 6 and again so on the even powers. Now we'll call like the trigonometry. That is a cos of 8 is also according to the even powers. Why? Because the cos of minus x is also like that cos x. For example, the function is lies in between in general principle, the basic knowledge, that is the limits are in between minus L to L, that is f of x into dx. Whenever the function is that is even function in between minus L to L, you need to consider that is a 2 into integration 0 to L, that is f of t into that is a dt. This is the basic principle of that limits integration that between. Now, while we are going to observing the diagram of the even function is also clearly the figure 1, it is showing that is a total area, that is a twice area of the right hand or the side only. Here, these are also the basic concept that according to the even function and also odd functions, the product of the even and even is also like even function. The product of the odd and the odd function is also even function, and odd function and also the even function is also clearly the odd function. And these are the based upon these conditions we need to follow the instructions. For example, f of t is a periodic function, then f of s is the even function. In between that minus L to L, that is a values are a naught, a n is a, you obtain that only the b n value is a 0. For example, the limits are in between minus L to L, the function is an odd function, only we need to find out the b n value, and at the time that a n value is a 0, and including that a naught value is also 0 because of for all values of n is a value. And based upon that even function, the conclusion here a n is equal to that is 1 by L integration minus L to L, that is f of t into cos n pi by L into t into dt is equal to, then you need to consider directly that is a 2 by L into integration 0 to L, that is f of t into cos n pi t by L into that is a dt. And similarly, it is a bn value also, that is 1 by L into integration minus L to L, that is f of t into sin n pi L by into t into dt is equal to, that is also 2 by L into integration 0 to L, that is f of t into cos sin of n pi by L into t. Whenever the function f of t is here the even odd function, then based upon this is the condition. For example, here it is clearly given that a function is said to be even function if f of minus x is equal, that is f of x is satisfied, that is even function, and f of x is the even function in between minus a to a, that is f of x into dx is equal to, we need to consider same previously like that 2 into integration 0 to a f of x into dx is the value. And here also in terms of the signs, that is x, like that x square, x power 4 up to so on, the values are even functions because of here n is an even function. And also you need to consider the constant function is also clearly that is an even function, and cos and graph of the even function, it is a clearly about the symmetrically, that is a y-axis. That means the trigonometric function or something, any function, if it is an even function, the graph of the even function is clearly satisfied, that is a symmetrically about the y-axis. Now here we are going to show that according to some of the graphs, that is a f of x equal, that is a mod x. Here it is clearly like according to that right side is a positive value, and again it is a left side is a negative value, and again based upon the right side it is a positive values of f of x is the diagram, and again based upon that negative value the diagram is also clearly you obtain that is a negative value of the f of minus x also. And again clearly in case of this is f of minus x is equal like that f of x is the even function. Now we will see that Similarly, based upon that f of x is equal, that is mod x also. According to that is a clearly showing something parallel to y-axis only. Now we'll go to discuss that based upon that even function, the formulas. Obtain the Fourier series for f of x equal, that is x square in the interval minus pi comma pi, and also deduce that is a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square into pi square by 6. And again similarly n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is a minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n square, that is equal to pi square by 12. And third one, we need to show that summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to, that is a pi square by 8. While we are going to observing here, the limits are clearly, that is a minus pi to pi. That is nothing but it is a minus L to comma L. That is nothing but you treat it as L is equal to pi only. And here f of x equal, that is x square, that is L is equal to wherever that L is equal to pi. And here clearly the function is like satisfied f of minus x equal to like that f of x only. Now based upon this one, we need to find out what about the a0 value and also n value. Because of the function is a even function, certainly the limits are in between minus pi to pi. And here by using that a0 is equal to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x dx, by using the values are L and also f of x, that is a 2 by L into integration 0 to L, that is f of x, because of by using the properties of the even function. And again the 2 by pi into integration 0 to pi, here f of x equal to x square into dx. Here the integration part after the calculation, that is a 2 by pi into, there is a pi cube by 3 is the value, by replacement of upper limit as well as the lower limit. Now that is a value of the 2 pi square by 3. Now we need to find out what is the an value. The an is nothing but, as we know that formula, that 1 by L integration minus L to L, that f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Here that L is equal to pi, and again that f of x equal to x square. Therefore, by using the properties of here, 1 by L is changed to like the 2 by L integration 0 to 2L, 0 to L, f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. By using that L is equal to pi and f of x equal to x square, here the values are n is equal to, that is 2 by pi in integration of 0 to pi x square into cos n x dx. Once again, by using the integration by parts, it is a 2 by pi integration, that is a x square into sin n x by n minus 2x into minus of cos n by x n square plus 2 into minus sin n x by n cube, by using the Lagrange's formula or Leibniz formula. And after that, integrating by parts, while we are going to replace the upper limit, that is a pi, and lower limit is 0. Here the value is clearly 4 into, that is a minus 1 whole power n by, that is a n square. Because of, as we know that is a values of, that is a cos n pi is equal, that is a minus 1 whole power n, and sin n pi is equal, that is a 0, and cos 0 is also value is a 1 value. Now we'll go to replace in the formula f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a into cos n pi x by L is a value. By using the values are a0, an, and also the values. Therefore, the required series f of x equal to is a pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 whole power n by, that is a n square into cos n x. Here we need to show that in the first case, summation 1 by n square is equal to, that is a pi square by 6. While we are going to observing in this the required equation by replacement of x equal to pi in that is f of x. Therefore, clearly the value is equal to, that is f of pi is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by n square into cos n pi. And again f of pi is equal to, the value is a pi square, because of that f of x is equal to, as we know that the value of f of x equal, that is a function is a x square. By replacement of here x equal to pi, therefore pi square is equal to pi square minus pi square by 3 is equal to 4 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by n square into minus 1 whole power n. Once again, after the simplification here, you obtain that clearly, that is summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to, that is a pi square by 6 is a required value. Now we will go to find out or verify, there is a second condition, that is a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by, that is n square is equal to, that is a pi square by 12. Here also, in that whatever we obtained that previously, that is f of x, by replacement of f of x at x is equal to 0, the value of, that is f of 0 is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by n square into cos 0. And here also, that f of 0 is equal to 0 because of, since here because of that f of x is equal to, as we know that is x square. It x is equal to 0 here, the value is after that simplification, that LHS part is a minus pi square by 12 is equal to, the right side is a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 over n by, that is n square. Once again that cross multiplying and 1 by 1 after the total simplification, you obtain that clearly, that is minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by, that is n square is equal to, that is a pi square by 12 is a value. Now we went to verify, that is the third case, that is a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to, that is a pi square by 8. And here also adding the equation 1 and also 2, that whatever we obtain that claim 1, claim 2, by using the 2 equation, it is clearly one of the equation is summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 over n plus 1 by n square plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to, right side is clearly pi square by 12 plus pi square by 6. Therefore, by using that after the summation simplification, you obtain that summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 square is equal to pi square by 8 is a value. Now, once again we want to verify, that is one other problem. If f of x is equal to, that is a pi plus x and pi minus x, in between minus pi is less than x is less than 0 and 0 is less than x is less than pi, and also the limit period is the f of x equal to f of x plus 2 pi for all values of x, then expand that f of x in a Fourier series. And once again, while we are going to observing here, the limits are c comma c plus 2l is equal to, that is minus pi comma pi only. While we are going to observing here, the limits are clearly, that is c is equal to minus pi, and also by using other condition, that is c is l is equal to pi. Therefore, the given function is clearly the even function because of the function is a even function, certain limits are in between minus pi comma pi. And as per the working rule here, as we know that whenever the function is a even function in between minus pi to comma pi, we need to consider bn is equal to 0, and also we need to find out a naught comma an values. Therefore, the required values are a naught and also an is equal to, that is 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi into f of x dx, and similarly an also, that is 1 by l into integration c to c plus 2l into f of x dx, and also n is equal to similarly 1 by pi into, that is a value of integration 0 to pi, that is f of x into cos n pi x into dx. This is the only the value of a naught. According to in that formula, while we are going to replace here, that is a 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx is equal to, directly obtained, it is clearly, that is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. Therefore, f of x equal to, in between 0 to pi, the value is given, the limits are pi minus x into dx. And here, after replacement of upper and also lower, the value of here, that is a pi value. Now we want to find out what is the an value similarly. Therefore, that an is nothing but, as we know that 1 by l into integration c to c plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. And here, the value of that l is equal to pi and f of x will be given function. And here also 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into cos n x. And moreover, it is also even function. Now we want to change, that is a 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into cos n x dx. And the given function is in between 0 to pi, the function is a pi minus x into cos n x dx. By using the integrating by parts, it is a consider, it is a u, and also the other condition is consider dv or v, that is depend upon our choice. Therefore, by using the integrating by parts, that is 2 by pi into integration, that is pi minus x, the derivative of pi minus x is minus 1, and cos n x integration is sin n x by n, and once again the integration is equal to, that is minus cos n by x square. First term is a plus, second term is a minus, in between the limits are 0 to pi value. Now once again after replacement of upper and also lower limit, clearly the values you obtain, that is a 2 by pi into that is a minus of minus 1 over n by n square minus of minus 1 by n square is a value. Now once again after that simplification of here 1 by 1 everything, the value is equal to, the value is a 2 by pi into integration into minus of minus 1 over n by n square plus 1 by n square is a value. Therefore, This is the value of finally that is 2 by pi into 1 minus of minus 1 whole power n by that is n square. Now by using that here a naught and also an, the required Fourier series is f of x called like that. After replacement of here in this, the values is clearly that f of x equal to pi by 2 into plus summation 2 by pi into 1 minus of minus 1 whole power n by that is n square into cos n x is the final required series. Now we determine the Fourier series that f of x is a 1 minus x, 1 plus x in between minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi, which is a periodic function of that is a 2 pi. And here also the given function is a in between minus pi comma pi, and moreover the function is clearly that is a even function only. Why? Because according to 1 minus x and 1 plus x, by replacement of x equal minus x, the function is clearly even function. Therefore, the graph of the even function is clearly as shown as according to that is a figure. And here the required Fourier series is f of x equal to that is a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity that is n cos n x. Therefore, the value of a naught is nothing but 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into dx. This is also by alternate formula, because of if it is mentioned that is a naught that is a value, therefore at the time of that is a naught calculating 1 by 2 pi you need to mention. Therefore 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into dx. Therefore by replacement of here in between, the value is equal to that is 1 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx, because of that is minus pi to pi, and in between the 2 to cancel both are. Therefore by replacement of the upper limit and lower limit by using the integrating by parts, clearly you obtain that the value of according to like this 2 by pi n square into cos n pi minus 1 is a value, since cos of minus n pi is also the value of cos n pi. Now we need to consider n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 like that according to like this all these things. The final required series is f of x equal to that is a pi by 2 plus 1 minus of 4 by pi into cos x plus 1 by 3 square into cos 3x plus 1 by 5 square into cos 5x and up to so on. Whenever x is equal to 0 in the given series, the series is obtained pi square by 8 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus up to so on. This is by replacement of x is equal to 0 is a given function. Now we see that f of t is a function is a minus t and also t. The limits are in between minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. But here the problem is based upon the t function, and it is clearly it is even function only, because of the given function is a even function, that is f of minus x equal to x. In between the limits are that is a minus pi comma pi only. Therefore we require to find the values are bn is equal to 0. Only we need to find out a naught and also n. Therefore a naught is equal to the directly formula that is a 2 by l into integration 0 to l f of t into dt. But here l is equal to t, l is equal to pi, and f of t is the t function. Therefore by replacement of the upper and lower limit, the value of a naught is equal to that is a pi value. Now we need to find out the dn value. Therefore the 2 by l integration 0 to l f of t into cos n pi t by l into dt. While we are going to replace that l is equal to pi and t is also f of t is also like the t, the value is a 2 by pi into integration 0 to pi, that is t into cos n t dt. And here also by using the integrating by parts or Leibniz formula, after the replacement of upper and also lower, you obtain that clearly that is 2 by pi n square into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 is a value, because of we know that cos n pi is equal to that is a minus 1 whole power n, and also that cos 0 is also like that 0. For all values of sin n pi is equal to sin 0 is equal to the value is a 0. By using all these values, when we are going to replace here n, you obtain this is the value. And similarly, in the required Fourier series f of t is equal to that is a naught by 2. Here a naught is a pi. Therefore, by using that a naught and also n value, that value is here pi by 2 minus 4 by pi into cos t plus 1 by 9 cos 3t plus 1 by 25 into cos 5t plus up to so on. This is the required series. Now we need to find out that is find the Fourier series for the triangular wave, that is f of t x is equal to that is pi by 2 plus x pi by 2 minus x. In between, that minus pi is less than x is less than 0 and 0 is less than x is less than pi is the value. Now here also the given function is clearly it is even function because of the interval is in between, that is a minus pi comma pi is the value, and moreover the function is clearly even function, pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 minus x, that is f of minus x is equal to, that is f of x only. Now we need to find out only that a naught n. Here a naught is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. Therefore 1 by pi into integration, that is f of x is nothing but in between minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. After that, individually dividing that 1 by 1 the terms, the value is that a naught value is that is a 0. Now we need to find out what is the an value. Therefore an also 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Once again, when we are going to replacing like upper limit and lower limit in between minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. Therefore, the values are also clearly x into sin nx by n plus cos nx by n square. This is the integration of x into, that is a cos, that is our sin x. And again here, by replacement of that, by using this is the integrating by part formula, the value of an is equal to, that is 2 by pi n square into 1 minus of minus 1 over n is a value. According to that, sin n pi is equal to 0 and sin 0 is also 0. And cos n pi is equal to, that is minus 1 over n, by using all those values. And also the graph of that here also, that f of x is equal to clearly, that is a 4 by pi into summation n is equal to 0 to infinity, that is cos of 2k plus 1 into pi x by 2k plus 1 whole square. And as soon as we are here, this is the diagram of the given function. Now we need to follow that one other, that is f of x equal, that is x plus 2 pi is equal, that is f of x. Find the required Fourier series, that is f of x equal to the 1 plus 2x by pi in between, that is minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi in between 1 minus 2x is the value. Therefore here also the given function is clearly minus pi to pi, and moreover here the function is an even function, and also we need to find out that a naught an also, whereas that bn terms which is a 0. Therefore the required Fourier series if bn is equal to 0 is nothing but f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx is the value. While we are going to observing, the diagram is also clearly as shown as this is a figure. Now by using the a naught formula, therefore that is a 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx is equal to, entirely after replacement of 1 by 1 the values, that a naught is a 0, and n is also clearly the 2 by pi into integration 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. While we are going to replace in between 0 to pi, only consider 1 minus 2x by pi into cos nx dx. And once again by using the integrating by parts formula, by replacement of upper and lower limit, the value is nothing but 8 by pi square into n square, provided whenever n is odd and n is equal to even, the value is equal to n is equal to 0. Because of here the value is a minus 4 by pi square n square into minus 1 over n minus 1. By taking that n is equal to any even odd value, the value is 8 by pi square n square. By taking any n is equal to even value, the value is 0. Therefore, conclusion of here a naught and also an from the given required Fourier series, that is f of x equal to, that is 8 by pi square into cos x by 1 square plus cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square plus up to so on. And once again, if you are going to replace that x is equal to 0 in these both sides, therefore LHS side is clearly that x is equal to 0 is 1 only. Therefore 1 is equal to 8 by pi square into, that is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on. Therefore finally conclusion, that is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 8 is a final required series. Now we need to check out that f of x plus 2a pi is equal to, that is f of x. Obtain the Fourier series expansion for the given function given by, that is f of x equal to mod x in between minus pi comma pi. Now we need to show that that is also 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 8. It is also same based upon the previous problem. Therefore, here also the values are bn is equal to 0. We need to find out the a naught an only. Therefore, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n x dx. a n into cos n x. Here also we need to find out only the values are a naught a n. Therefore, a naught is equal to, here also the value is equal to, that is a 2 pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. After replacement of in between 0 to pi, the function is x in between 0 to pi only. Therefore, the limits after replacing a naught is equal to, that is a pi only. And similarly a n also, that a n is equal to 2 pi integration 0 to pi f of x into cos n x dx. Here also f of x is equal to x only, that in between 0 to pi, by using the integrating by parts. Here also, that is 2 pi into n square of minus 1 whole square minus 1. And once again, here also, that depend upon the two cases, n is equal to odd and n is equal to even. Here also for n is equal to even, the value is totally 0, n is equal to odd, that is minus 4 by pi n square is the value. By using this a naught a n value after replacement of the given equation and by replacement of x is equal to 0 on both sides, the final solution is a 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 8 is a conclusion. Now we need to find out that series f of x equal to mod x, mod of sin x, and in between it is also clearly minus pi comma pi. And here also the mod sin x, first of all the limits are minus pi to pi. Wherever the function is a mod sin x, for all values of mod sin x is a function is a even function only. Therefore, we need to find out that a naught a n only, whereas b n is equal to 0. Therefore, the required series is a f of x is equal to, that is a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x. Therefore, a naught is equal to, that is a 2 by pi into integration 0 to pi f of x dx. Therefore, the f of x is the function is sin x. Therefore, integration of sin is a minus cos x in between 0 to pi. The value of a naught is also, that is a 4 by pi. Now similarly we need to find out a n also. Therefore, a n is equal to in 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos n x dx, and f of x is the sin x. Here, by using the multiple angle component multiple angle formula, sin a cos b, that sin a cos b is nothing but, there is 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. By using the standard formula, here the 2 to cancel. Therefore, the remaining term is 1 by pi integration 0 to pi, that is a sin of n plus 1 into x minus sin of n minus 1 into x into dx. Here also, by using the integration and also by replacement of upper and lower, that finally whenever n is equal to odd, the value is 0. n is equal to even, the value is minus 4 by pi into, that is n square minus 1 is the value. Therefore, by using this n value, while we are going to replace it, n is equal to 1 also, here the value of n is also, the value is 0. Therefore, by using these a naught a n values, whatever we treated as equation 1, from this equation 1, the value is a 2 by pi minus 4 by pi into, that is 1 by 3 into cos 2x plus 1 by 15 into cos 4x plus 1 by 35 into cos 6x plus up to so on is the value. Now we need to check it. Find the Fourier series for the function mod cos x in between, that is also minus pi comma pi. While we are going to observing here, the limits are clearly minus pi comma pi. Moreover, the function is mod cos x. For all values of mod cos x is also clearly cos x, even function. Therefore, automatically bn is also 0. Here also f of x is the required series is the a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity cos n x dx, a n into cos n x. Therefore, the value of a naught is equal to, that is a 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. Here also we know that f of x is cos x. By using here integration formula and also by replacement of upper and lower, the limits, therefore that a naught is equal to, that is 4 by pi. Now we need to find out that similarly a n also, and here also that after replacement of in that formula cos a cos b. By using the cos a cos b, we know that there is a 1 by 2 to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. From that formula, after that resolving into the two functions, therefore 2 to cancel, after that implement of that 1 by 1 all the integration formulas by using the even values and odd values. Whenever the n is odd, the values is 0 and n is equal to 2 comma 6 comma up to 10, the value is a 4 by pi into n square minus 1. That n is equal to 4 comma 8 comma 12 up to so on. The value is a minus 4 by pi into n square minus 1. Therefore, by taking that n is equal to 1 also, you obtain the values are n is equal to that is a 1. Because of in the series the function is a trigonometric. Whenever the given function is a trigonometric, we need to calculate in additionally that n is equal to 1 also. That is a1 and sometimes it is a b1 also. That depend upon the nature. And here finally the value of a naught an, the equation 1 is changed to like f of x equal to that is 2 by pi plus 4 by pi into 1 by 3 into cos 3x cos 2x minus 1 by 15 into cos 4x plus up to so on is the value. Now we need to check it. Same here also cos x, here also the value of a naught an. Therefore, after the simplification of 1 by 1 everything, it is also even function. The conclusion cos ax equal that is a sin a pi by pi into 1 by alpha minus 2 alpha by alpha square minus 1 square into cos x plus up to so on, it is a required series. Here the constant value is alpha. Now we need to determine the required for the Fourier series. The limits are the given function is f of x minus 1 1 minus 1. Here the function is divided like that minus pi 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 pi by 2 to pi. Moreover, if you are going to observing the clearly the given limits are in between minus pi comma pi, the function is clearly that is even function. While we are going to draw the diagram of here also, that is according to as shown is in the figure like this. Here this is also alternate formula. You can see that is a Fourier series f of x equal to a naught plus n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx. When you are going to refer that a naught, you need to follow according to that is a 1 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. This is also alternate formula. Whenever it is a naught by 2 in the required series, you need to replace that 1 by pi minus pi to pi like that 2 by pi 0 to pi. But it is the starting the required Fourier series is assumed that is a naught. Therefore, here by using the formula 1 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx, by using that here in between the limits are that is 1 comma minus 1. After that simplification of here also the value of a naught is equal to that is a 0. And similarly an also by using that is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into cos nx, and in between 0 to pi by 2 and also that is a pi by 2 to pi. After replacement of that individual values and again integrating by parts or integration formula, by using that upper and lower limit, the value of n is equal to that is a 4 by pi n into sin n pi by 2 is the value. When n is a even, that n is equal to 0 and n is equal to odd, the values are clearly 4 by pi n depend upon the 1 comma 5 comma 9 comma up to so on, and n is equal to minus 4 by pi n pi for all values of n is equal to 3 comma 7 comma up to so on. Therefore, by using here all those values like a naught, an and also values from the equation 1, that is f of x equal that is 4 by pi into that is a cos x minus 1 by 3 into cos 3x plus 1 by 5 into cos 5x minus 1 by 7 into cos 7x plus up to so on. Because of here the value of a naught is equal that is a 0. By using the values here, the starting terms which is not involving. The conclusion of here in this class, our conclusion is here that limits are minus pi comma pi. The given function is a even function. We need to find out only the values are a naught an. That means bn is equal to 0. Whenever the function is even function, that means f of minus x equal to there is f of x only. In between, particularly the limits are minus pi comma pi only. Hence, the required Fourier series is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx is the value, whereas the bn is equal to the value is a 0. This is the conclusion of here today class. That is the even function in between minus pi comma pi is a value. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.